No matter how we fly our drones, if we're flying recreational with just a standard drone like this DJI Neo with no remote ID, or if we're flying a drone with our 107 license, we may want a strobe light. Now, if you're flying with a 107 license and you want to fly in dusk, or if you want to fly with a waiver at night, you're going to need a strobe light. None of our drones come with a large, powerful enough strobe light for those waivers. So let's go ahead and open up this one I just bought from Star Trek. And this one, based on reviews, is the one I went with. Looks like we have a charging cable there. That's handy. This is the 2-pack. And looks like we have, oh, this is clever, some elastic bands. That's actually the first time I've seen that option, and I really like how lightweight that sounds. So we've got the USB port here, and we've got the light up front here. And I guess I'll figure out how we turn this on. Alright, just read the instructions. It's pretty simple. This button here is actually a button. So we'll just hold it for 2 seconds, and then they start up. Now this is really bright. I don't think the camera's going to be able to pick up just how bright these are. These don't weigh very much. They're very bright. They do have a couple of modes that we can cycle through, and then we can hold the button down to turn it back off again. These recharge, and they have a whole bunch of different ways to attach, which is pretty handy. That's why I bought them. Hope this helps.